Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video, I want to make a little demo about my app, which is radio app. So uh, in this app, we have the radio, which is the thing that's playing. I have the title of the thing that's playing, dua dua, and there's supposed to be buttons here, but because of a UI problem and problem with Codler, it sadly cannot appear. So one of the main features in here is it can play audio, it can stop the audio, and it can pause the audio. Yes, it's like a normal radio app. It could the thing it's designed to play is, if I'm not wrong, it's either a kajian or a nasyid. Yeah, it's probably a kajian or, oh yeah, it's prayers. It's prayers, Islamic prayers that are played in this app. It's only features one audio, sadly. So I think that's all for the explanation of the UI on the phone, and I'll introduce you to the UI on here. So you can see a big difference between the UI on the phone and the UI on the actual preview on Codler. So in here you can see multiple buttons such as the pause, play, and stop. Then you have the recording or the thing that's playing here, the image. Then also the title. Here, of course, you can see that I made it with image, a label, and a few images here, buttons actually. So, uh, it's not actually really a button, but it also functions as a button. So, in here, so you can go to blocks. In blocks, see that you can that the images could be clicked, such as like a normal button, and it will set the player or the audio player to this audios. No, and yeah, I think that's all for the code and also design. Yeah. Hmm. So in here you can see the pause. You can see that the alert is pause and the stop as well. So I'll explain it one by one. So the first thing is in the play control button. Here you can see that player one is the audio player. The source is set to this an MP3 on Radio Islami Indonesia. The next one is to call player one to start the audio. Then it will show an alert or notifier or notification using this that the radio is playing. Then on the second one you have stop. It calls player one to start. Wait, to pause. I mean stop. Okay, all player one stop. So what is the function of stop? It's for, well, to stop the audio. And the difference from pause is, well, stops the audio completely, where you can play it again from the place you stop. But pause, wait, hold on. Pause is, well, to start the audio again from the last place you paused it. I think, yeah, that is the difference. Oh, and also notifier will play every time. I will play a notif will do a notification every time you press the button, such as radio is stopped or radio is paused. And think, yeah, I think that's all for me today on Radio App. I'd love to thank you all for watching to the end. That's all from me. I'm Merdasan Marlo. Thanks for watching to the end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.